Mass vaccination clinics helped Helen Keller Hospital vaccinate hundreds of people, but not everyone can travel to those clinics.
We sent Way 31's Brecken Terry to the hospital to get answers on vaccinating those who can't make it to a mass vaccination clinic.
That's one of the logistical issues the hospital is trying to brainstorm. How do they get shots into the arms of people in rural areas and people who are homebound?
And quite frankly, this will be an ongoing process. We think throughout the summer, we'll be working to get vaccinations out.
Colbert County is working on securing a grant to help fund mobile vaccination units that will be outfitted with Helen Keller Hospital nurses. Hospital President Kyle Buchanan walks us through their vaccination process in phases.
So we started with the mass vaccination effort, and everyone who's eligible who can get to one location, let's try to get 800 or 900 a day through that process. We want to do that first. That makes the most sense. Now we're in that middle phase in which we're trying to find strategic locations closer to the neighborhoods and see how much we can accomplish there.
He said the next phase is the one that's the most challenging, with the most logistical issues.
The next step is, as you mentioned, is how do we actually get vaccinations to people who can't leave their home?
Buchanan said the state health department is heading up that effort, and they're waiting on guidance on how to vaccinate homebound people.
Quite transparently, that is an effort that I know the state is very interested in. The Department of Public Health is looking into very closely. We will most likely follow their lead as far as our role in that process. But again, we're very interested in seeing supporting that effort.
I asked ADPH about its plans to vaccinate homebound people, and it said that it's going to be giving out copies of protocol to hospitals like Helen Keller, and then they can base their plans off of that guidance. In the Shoals, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.
Helen Keller Hospital is holding a mass vaccination clinic in Colbert County this week. That's today and tomorrow at Northwest Shoals Community College. You do need an appointment.